This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to give yourself vitamin B12 injections. First, ensure you have all your supplies ready. The B12 vial, a new syringe, alcohol wipes, and a sharps container. Next, wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water for at least 20 seconds to maintain a sterile environment. Finally, select a suitable injection site, like your outer thigh or upper arm, and clean it well with an alcohol wipe, letting it air dry completely. Now, let's prepare the medication. First, remove the cap from your B12 vial and clean the rubber stopper with a new alcohol wipe. Next, pull back the plunger on your syringe to draw air equal to your prescribed dose. Insert the needle into the vial, flip it upside down, inject the air, and then slowly draw the vitamin B12 into the syringe. Finally, check for any air bubbles, gently tap the syringe to bring them to the top, then carefully push them out. It's time for the injection. First, gently pinch a 2-inch fold of skin at your prepared injection site. With a quick, confident motion, insert the needle straight in at a 90-degree angle, deep into the muscle. Slowly and steadily push the plunger all the way down to inject the vitamin B12 medication. Once complete, smoothly withdraw the needle and apply gentle pressure to the injection site with a clean cotton ball for a few moments. After your injection, proper disposal is crucial. Never recap a used needle. Immediately place the entire syringe into an approved sharps container. Keep an eye on the injection site for any unusual redness, swelling, or discomfort. Always store your vitamin B12 and all related supplies in a safe place, out of reach of children and pets. Remember to always follow your healthcare provider's specific instructions for your injection frequency and dosage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.